I am Quartz because I care about the personal well-being of our members. My name is Kelly Davitt, and I'm a Regional Business Development Executive at Quartz. Even more than that, I'm a resource and a shoulder to lean on for employers and members in Northern Illinois. I develop relationships with employers and employees. I recently had the opportunity to help a member's daughter access the critical care she needed, but was unsure she could get. With a simple phone call to our Madison-based team, joyful tears were shed and lives were changed for the better. And at that time, it all became clear to me. This is why we do what we do. Quartz is different because we're local, which is very unusual. Very few health insurance companies can say that. We know our providers, employees, and members because we live and work in the same community. We go to the same restaurants, the same places of worship. Our boots on the ground give us a different view and a more personal approach to facilitating care. I've also come to realize that the collective sense of empathy at Quartz is fiercer than any bottom line. When we can personally touch the lives of our members, it feels like we're doing something meaningful. What I love about Quartz is our pioneering spirit. As a provider-owned company, we're in a position to develop innovative and cutting-edge solutions. From our wellness programs to our enrollment process, our members benefit from a health insurance company that invests in the customer experience. Members should know that the entire Quartz team is here for you. We care about your health and wellness and rally together for the greater good. This is a strategy that will lead our community to great places.